Around the world, cities stand as the vibrant hubs of humanity's collective journey. From towering skylines to the intricate veins of city streets, we marvel at the progress that urbanization brings, but also grapple with the challenges that follow. Urbanism offers the promise of economic vitality and cultural richness, and yet it presents tensions between old and new and strains on spaces and resources. The impact is profound, shaping societies, influencing economies, and defining the very essence of our collective existence. In navigating this complex urban terrain, research is a powerful compass that will enable us to harness the positive and mitigate the negatives. Academia, working together with governments, corporates, and civil society, can leverage impactful multidisciplinary research to find key solutions and shape a brighter future.
SMU is committed to delivering impactful research through the university's strategic priorities of digital transformation, sustainable living, and growth in Asia. Urban research sits at the heart of each of these priorities. It provides an integrative thread that connects them into one overarching thematic research focus. Our newly launched Urban Institute will consolidate SMU's existing urban-related research and catalyze new directions for practical solutions to urban challenges.
The SMU Urban Institute will craft a multi- and interdisciplinary research agenda organized around the three key themes of urban infrastructure, urban growth, and urban life. Positioned deliberately as a university-level entity and drawing on leadership across the schools, my hope is that the Institute will harness relevant disciplinary strengths spanning areas such as urban geography, urban behavioral economics, public policy, operations management, and geospatial data analytics. We envision the Institute to be a research powerhouse dedicated to delivering impact through the study of Asian, especially Southeast Asian cities, with two focus areas. The first is to view cities as socio-technical systems with an emphasis on collective human behavior. And the second focuses on how to strike a balance between urban growth and urban sustainability.
The Urban Institute will address critical issues that will shape the future of Asian cities. It will forge an interdisciplinary research agenda that bridges theoretical and applied research, data science and the critical social sciences, industry and academia, and Singapore and Southeast Asia. It seeks to cultivate thought leadership, develop innovative solutions to urban problems, and inform policy decisions that will contribute to the development of more inclusive, resilient, and vibrant cities. Leveraging SMU's positioning as a research-intensive university, the Urban Institute aims to establish a meaningful research presence and ecosystem throughout Southeast Asia.